You've got to be kidding me again. Another thunderstorm? This is like the third one with throughout this whole month of July. Oh shit. Oh shit. I'm sorry, this is 1 in the morning. I just woke up to find this happening. Oh, look at that. I think it's a severe thunderstorm warning. If I hear the EAS, I will fucking scream. Cause once I hear the EAS, it's so freaking loud that I get jump scared basically. Look at that. I think there might be a flooding. I think you could hold up. As you can see here, that's my drive.